This is a lesson from Getting Started with WordPress, a free online course by The Clickstarter. In this lesson, we'll learn about customizing our site design through the theme options. Use this video as a guide to follow along on your own WordPress site. If you don't have a WordPress site yet, visit this link to find out how we will create one for you absolutely free. In the previous lesson, we learned how to change the design of our site with themes. Now we carry on from that and learn how to personalize the design that we chose. The best part is, we're going to make our customizations completely from within WordPress. No need for any coding. Please note that the features we are exploring today may not be available on all themes, or may look different from one theme to the next. We'll be using the default 2011 theme, so if you are following along, go into Appearance, Themes, and make sure 2011 is the active theme. In an earlier lesson, we learned that only pages appear in the navigation and also touched on how to change the order of pages in the navigation menu. Most themes today support the new custom menu feature that gives us even more flexible customization options. I've added some new pages to our site for this example. By default, these pages are listed in the navigation menu in alphabetical order. We're going to reorganize them by going to Appearance and then Menus. The first step is to create a new menu. Type in the name for the menu and then click Create Menu. Once we've added the menu, the Theme Locations box appears. This tells WordPress where to display the menu. Select the menu that was just created and click Save. Next, we have to add pages to the menu. The Pages box shows all of the available pages that you can add to the menu. We can even add links to pages outside of our website by adding a custom link. To do that, type in the address to the page, a label, and then click Add to Menu. If you make a mistake, you can remove items from the menu. To do that, click the arrow to reveal the menu item options, and then click the Remove link. Next, we can reorder the menu items by dragging and dropping them. If we drag individual menu items to the right, the page will be nested under the one above it. I'm going to use this technique to nest the privacy policy page under the About page. Our menu items can also have their own names. For example, we can shorten the name of this menu item by changing the navigation label. And now the label just says Products. Besides pages, we can also include categories in the menu. Simply select the category and then click Add to Menu. I'm going to nest them under the Products menu item. If you need to, click the Screen Options tab to reveal more options for the menus and click the Help tab to learn more about them. Remember to save the menus when you're finished editing it. Now let's have a look. The navigation now no longer shows the sample pages. The categories we added are nested under the product page and drop down when I move my mouse over them. And finally, here's the link to my Twitter account. Many themes like 2011 come with theme options. Theme options enable us to change color schemes, fonts, and even layouts for our website. 2011 gives us options for two different color schemes, link color and default layout. Let's mess around with these and see what happens. First, I'll switch to the dark color scheme. I'll stick with the default orange link color, and then I'll go for the one column, no sidebar layout. Let's save the changes and see the results. Wow, our site now looks really different. We've been customizing our site with the 2011 theme. Not all themes have theme options and custom menus, so use the feature filter to find themes that do. I hope you found this lesson useful. We provide additional content and a support forum to registered members of click2launch.net. Sign up for a free membership by visiting this link.